Hey, snoring, it's not just annoying anymore. It could actually mean serious issues for your health.
Yeah, so News 6 morning anchor Kirsten O'Connor found out how a sleep study works and how it could be the key to getting results, even saving your life.
If you're laughing at it on TV, it's probably because you're not living it.
It was sort of irritating. You couldn't sleep, so you would be then laying awake thinking, well, when am I going to fall asleep with all this noise?
Married 48 years, Fred and Mary Mitchkey just stopped short of sleeping in separate rooms.
I believed what she was saying, but it wasn't bothering me that I knew of.
Snoring isn't dangerous. It's obnoxious and it hurts people's sleep patterns. But if you snore and then stop breathing and get very quiet, that is dangerous. It's called obstructive sleep apnea.
To determine if Fred's snoring was, at best, annoying, at worst, potentially deadly.
Well, we'll see how much breathing irregularity you have during the first part of the night.
Fred was sent for an evaluation at Michigan Neurology Associates to see Dr. Thomas Giancarlo, a neurologist and sleep specialist.
Oftentimes, sir, why are you here? Because it's more common in men, certainly with neck size, collar size over 18 inches. And I'm here because the wife said I had to be here. Or I'm sick of sleeping on the couch or being elbowed in the middle of the night. So it's certainly noisy. They've actually documented hearing loss in wives of heavy snorers.
He's submitted to a sleep study.
Stand up for me and I'm going to put the belts on, okay?
He's hooked up to leads and monitors.
Gee, I should have brought my own pillow.
It takes longer to hook up the sensors than it does for Fred to doze.
That's fast.
He's watched carefully from a nearby room by technicians who are measuring his foot movements, brain activity, and critically important, the amount of work the stomach does to push air up through the nasal passages. The deeper Fred moves into sleep, the more the activity on the monitors heats up. Turns out Fred has more than the drive Mary crazy snores. He stops breathing as many as 18 times an hour. His snoring was the alarm for the ticking time bomb that was his heart.
The prognosis for this kind of thing is greater than 20 events per hour with drops in oxygen desaturation below 85. They have a 50% mortality at 5 years.
By identifying the heart problem, Fred got it fixed, and none too soon.
I feel much healthier.
Kirsten O'Connor, News 6.
Wow, don't
Well,
ignore that.
Freak you out. I get kicked in the middle of the night sometimes to roll over and.
But 18 times an hour?
I don't know. I'm not counting. Maybe I should get it checked.
That freaks me out.